Okay, today for this new video, guys, we're gonna be making strawberry cheesecake macarons, and an apple. So this recipe is not in cups and tablespoons and stuff. It's in grams. Oh boy, it's gonna be super awesome. So first, we need 85 grams of super fine almond flour. So this is our scale.
Yeah. Okay.
You can't see it.
Everything I'll be mostly trying to make sure that
We got it! Now we need 85 grams of this.
Yeah!
Damn it! Oh my god! That was literally perfect! She just started freaking. Now we have to put it in our freaking dish blender. I've been really addicted to saying dish recently.
What else, bitch?
We have to ground it first. This is our makeshift food processor. It's actually fake fruit. Okay, that's probably super fine. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Enough! Damn it! Ah! Dang it. No! Stir together almond flour and powdered sugar.
That's why I said to wait.
Wait, for what?
To blend it.
To blend it. Okay, well, I blended it because the almond powder needed to be fine. Using a fine mesh sieve, sift onto a sheet of parchment paper in another bowl.
Do you have a shifter?
A shifter? Yeah, it's in the second cabinet. Oh. Oh shit! And look at all the freaking flowers on the floor.
Emmy!
It's okay. It'll still work. Just pound it.
This is like a whole bunch of grams.
I know. It's like 10 grams. Yay! We got our sifter back. Hey. The camera's so foggy.
Because of your fuck-ass phone. How is this 0 grams?
Because it teared it. It's fine. It doesn't matter. We measured this stuff. It's going to be great. Look how thin and that is. Don't get that in. I'm going to edit that out. Okay, in a large mixing bowl, use an electric mixer to beat egg whites on low medium speed until it becomes frothy like a cappuccino foam.
I sound like the Mickey laugh.
No. I do.
This bitch put an egg on the toaster. What the fuck? On the scale.
Remember, it's only egg whites. Well, what the hell? Just take it out with your hands.
Then that makes it be able to pop more.
No. I wonder how Kitty is doing.
Look at it.
Negative 990 grams. What the hell?
Alrighty. Boy.
What the hell, boy? Okay.
Maddie just slapped the shit out of you, boy.
What the hell? Okay, so we just have to subtract 166 from everything.
Okay, you're doing the math.
Oh, wait. Do 166 plus 90. Math geniuses over here.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Show the camera right
Dang, she ate. Aged for 24 hours.
Bitch.
What? Okay. Now we need 80 grams of gratitude.
No, we need to whip them until they're fluffy. The eggs. Don't worry, I've got this. Ladies, step aside. Big Mama's got it. What's your zodiac sign? I'm a Libra.
Big Libra.
Now we have to mix this until it becomes like cappuccino
assassino.
Guys, I don't know what cappuccino foam looks like. Okay, I think that's good.
No, more.
Okay, let's go. Slowly sprinkle in 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar at a time and beat on medium speed. In addition, when all the sugar's like, come on, keep beating that medium.
Beat it.
Wait, come on. High, medium speed. Ah!
That's purple.
We're using fucking magic magenta.
Radioactive ass. Damn! It's way more bright in person. Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. That is not fucking folding.
I need to like. Oh, Addie, yeah. Or like the. Bless you.
Smear some butter
Smear some better.
against the sides of a bowl to deflate the air out of the batter.
Where's our orange anaranjado? Spanish. Did you know that mañana does actually mean morning? It means morning and yesterday or tomorrow, whatever the other one was. Yeah, it means both, so I was right. So fuck off, everybody. Jenny, our moms. Jenny is our moms. Jenny told our moms told us that it didn't mean fucking morning. It does mean morning. I asked my Spanish teacher.
Can you search up what it's supposed to look like?
It doesn't really matter. God, I hate looking up stuff.
What are you doing?
A piping bag.
Baby bag.
A piping bag.
Okay, can you hold it? I'm really bad at transferring things to...
Puppy dog eyes. Do your best puppy dog eyes. Go. Okay, my turn.
I got the ick so badly.
Oh, this is what it's supposed to look like. See how it's not breaking? See what he's doing? It's very smart, but it's also very dangerous.
If your name is Junior and you're really handsome, come on, raise your hand.
Addie!
Sorry, I had to raise my hand.
Call me! Junior. There goes 40 grams.
Stop putting it on my finger.
Senga looking up. Imagine you're looking at me and I just start mugging you.
No one would know what that...
What are you talking about? No, sounds good to me, Junior. Chinese gong. I'm gonging on the haters.
We don't even have enough people to be haters.
Cause I've had some.
So, honey, you know that viral meme and oh my god, oh. Emmy! You dumb. Buddy, bum.
If there's any bakers in the comments, tell us how we did.
What were you doing? You'll see.
This is our universal tablet. We just use for everything now.
Does a cooking video ever go right?
Last one it did, our fucking cookies were delicious. Mukbang.
I don't think these are gonna turn out.
It's the thought that counts. We tried.
Every time we cook together, it always goes bad.
Our cookies went really well.
Last time we tried to make something. Try to make bread.
We tried to make bread.
Uh-huh.
What?
We forgot to put the yeast in it.
What? Was that a dream?
Oh, it happened. We were gonna make another YouTube, but then we didn't.
Oh.
All the videos I've seen of macarons are fluffy.
Well, we have at least one successful video.
What is this?
Mm-hmm.
Why did you make it?
It's like frozen mac and cheese.
Really?
Isn't it good? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
This is my coconut.